Chairman, sir, while I rise to bid my farewell to Azad Sahib, as the world knows him, in my political experience, sir, I have noticed very few leaders who can name 100 people by name in every state of this great country, sir, and Azad Sahib stands to be one of them. His understanding of our country, his connect with the countrymen is so great that today I stand to thank him, especially on behalf of my leader, KCRG, for the role he played in the formation of Telangana, sir, which has been a long-cherished dream of our people. When the Prime Minister stands up to bid farewell to LOP and gets emotional, that clearly speaks of the bond and bonding Azad Sahib had with this House, his love for the legislature, his articulation. I would like to bring to the notice to this great House, sir, of my own experience when I was the Speaker and APJ Abdul Kalam ji wanted to address the legislature, and I, as the Speaker, initiated a debate lecture from President Saab then in Andhra Pradesh Assembly, sir. Immediately after the event got over, Azad Saab was the Chief Minister of Kashmir, immediately called me, congratulated me, and said that's a wonderful initiative. Even though it's not a normal course for the President to address state assemblies, but that initiative was wonderful, and he wanted to know in every detail how the event took place and was successful in eventually calling Kalamji there to address the House, sir. Well, all I can say is his diplomacy and his understanding, the country should surely utilize it, and I'm sure there are a lot of diplomatic issues which reach a stalemate, and in the coming years, his leadership could probably end such stalemates, sir. And I wish him the very best, he and his family, and I hope and pray that he continues to be in the service of our nation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sri Reddy. Sri Y. Vijay Reddy.
Thank you, Chairman, sir.